Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get verified actually on Tinder. So first of all, of course, you would like to go to Tinder application. So if you don't have that on your phone, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So after logging in or sign in or creating your account on Tinder, that will be actually your home screen. So as you can see here, that user is not verified. Let me just show you first a verified user. I will probably find one here. If I keep scrolling, yeah, as you can see here, here is the blue badge, which is the verified option. So how can you actually get this verified option? It's simply by going to your profile, or your profile or your icon at the top left corner, and click on that. So if you want to get verified, first of all you would like to actually fill this by 100%, like fully 100%. So it's simply by going and click at your edit profile, and here as you can see you will get 4% per each picture you added. So let's say, like, here we have 9 pictures, like you can multiply that per 4 and you will have the 36. So if you actually add 9 photos, you will have 36 done, and you can get the other 22 by about me, by adding about me. And you can get like 3 separate percents by job title, company, living in, school. Of course I already added that. Show your Instagram photos, and show top artists on Spotify, and your anthem as well. Of course, if you completed this 100%, you would like to do one last step, which is actually taking 2 selfies to Tinder, and make sure these 2 instant selfies should match one of or 2 of your media here, or your photos here, or pictures, and you will actually get the blue verification badge on Tinder. So that will be actually for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.